Welcome. If you want to change default application on your ESSENTIELB Wooze L, let's move to the settings. Now we have to enter apps. Click on the settings icon in right upper corner. And as you can see, there is default section. We can go for a browser, but currently we got only one browser, so we can just go to the Google Play Store and download. Let's click on the Google Play Store. Now we have to sync in, so let me just do this. Okay, and right now just click on this arrow, click on agree, click on next. Yes, accept the term of service. Click get started, and right now click here to search the second browser. I will go for the Opera Mini. Click on install. Okay, right now we can go back to our settings of the default application and enter the browser again. And as you can see, right now we can choose between the Google Chrome and Opera Mini that we download from the Google Play Store. I will stay with the Google, and this is how it works. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.